This is a 2-pack of M8 304 stainless steel I-plate U-hooks. I was sent these to review for free. If you wanted to purchase them, they would cost you about $14 for the 2-pack. They haven't paid me for the review, and my opinions remain valid. Alright, so in the package we get these U-hook plates, these spring snap hooks, kind of carabiner-like, and some mounting hardware. So these are advertised for things like hammocks and so forth. One of the key things I want to know is the stainless steel nature of them, and the plate there does feel like stainless steel. It is, you know, the magnet will hold on to it, but it really doesn't snap to it like I'd expect with real, you know, non-stainless steel. The U-hook, it hooks to a little more. That might just be because it's worked. It's not like really snapping to it though, so I think it is stainless. The hook may or may not be 304 stainless, but I think the whole thing is stainless. There's a very light magnetic attraction, so I do believe the screws are stainless. These guys here, the traction is a little heavier there, especially in the bottom part where it's worked. This part is not at all. So I do think it's stainless, but it's been worked more at the curve down there. Now there's a little rivet in there. That might be a stainless rivet. So the whole thing, I believe the whole thing is stainless steel. So that looks pretty good. Now measurement wise, let's just do inches. So we're about 1.57 on the short side, 1.96 on the long side, and then the hook here is like 1.28 inches to the top. So the inner diameter is about 0.8, 0.82 at the widest, and it narrows down significantly as it goes up to the U. So I believe the strength of your connectors into whatever you're screwing into is going to be the deciding factor on, you know, how much load this guy can take. I suspect these pieces of metal will fail after the screws going into whatever you have them screwed into. They do include these guys, looks like, you know, masonry or kind of possibly sheetrock anchors. I don't think you'd want to use something heavy with sheetrock there, as well as these screws that can go directly into wood. These guys have a little catch there, so they should be able to hold a decent amount of weight. There's no actual ratings listed on them anywhere, but they seem like they're pretty heavy duty. I think, you know, I'm pretty sure this would hold a hammock with, you know, 300 pounds max. So I'm going to be mounting this into a pressure-treated 2x4 underneath this fiberglass, so I won't need the anchors. I'm just going to use those screws into the wood directly, but I will need to drill some pilot holes. So I'm piercing the fiberglass here. It is pressure-treated wood behind it, but I want to make sure no water gets in there, so I am going to use some clear silicone kind of on the back of this guy just to smush around to make sure no holes are left. They give you exactly 8 screws, so be careful not to drop any of them. There's no extras. Alright, so that guy's sealed on there pretty darn well. So yeah, this guy's just about perfectly sized to stick to the end of a 2x4.